exactly, guys.
Yeah.
So I don't know if I found my perfect match or no. So guys, keep on watching, supporting us, support Nasto. Road to Success, support Natashi. Hey, her name is Natashi. Road to Success, guys. She's not new, but she's road to 1,000 subscribers. Let's support him if you watch this video, and also more videos, me and her. Of course, kind of episodes, but not.
Not episodes now.
Yeah, not episodes. Yeah. So keep on tuned and watching.
Episodes in Kiswahili is vipindi. So you don't want vipindi.
Yes.
You want something real, yeah?
Something real.
And also you should invite her maybe to our village.
Me.
Okay. I will pick. Okay, so now it's Maja Kasirika. Buga. 400. Don't Kasirika. Maja is number 1. Maybe we'll get more angry. More angry. Maja will be number 1. For 1. 500. So 4 foot. So Vicky is number 1. I think it's about aiming.
Yes.
Yeah.
And God,
I think we are over. Rounds are over. We only 6 rounds.
Oh, so number 1, number 2.
Number 3. Then
Yeah. So guys, we are really enjoying here.
Everything. Let's try.
Anyways, so the rounds are over, guys. So yeah, we have a lot of pool tables here, also a lot of games, and we came to try, guys.
That was fun.
That was fun.
Yeah, so hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Maj_KE, in case you're new here, guys. Thank you so much for the family who are supporting me. And right about now, we are at TRM Mall. This is one of the malls that is respected in Kenya, and also one of the biggest malls in Kenya, around TRM Mall. So I have Nasto here.
Yeah.
How are you, bro?
Good, I'm good, thank you. How is everything?
Everything is good? Yes.
It's
a rainy season.
It's a rainy season in Nairobi, yeah?
Yes.
So we are in a place called Roysambu.
Roysambu,
We're
yeah.
heading to TRM Mall. Maja has a friend that is going to meet. So he invited me over.
Yeah.
So I think it's the last day for us in Nairobi here. And we decided to just walk around. It's very beautiful art.
Wow.
Very beautiful.
So guys, Naso is trying to purchase some of but it's very nice, guys. So here in Nairobi, it's very hard to cross the roads, especially they have a lot of cars. You know, we are boys from the village, but we are trying our best. And this is a zebra crossing, but you can see cars are coming very, very fast. So we are trying to cross the road. So I'm waiting for Nasto and also our cousin here, who is taking us around. Though we know, so we are trying to cross over to TRM Mall. This is the mall that we are going to. So I believe once I lived somewhere here, but I relocated now to the village. But I really love village life more than city life, because village is very easy. You can get maybe things very fast and very easy, no jam. You know, like yesterday we had a lot of jam when traveling, we had a lot of them. Yeah, it was very hectic. So you know, in the village we do things in very fast. If you want to go to the border is very fast. You use your motorbike or the car, no jam, you know. Okay, unless we have something that is going on, that is where you can get traffic jam in our village. But here always we have jam, so we are crossing, guys. And this is moving into TRM here. I don't know, huh? Yeah, so guys, this is TRM Mall. We have a variety of things here. Anything that you need, you can get it from this place, guys. Oh, we are going up, Nast. We are going up again. Yeah. So this is how this place is. We have everything here in this mall, guys. So this is one of the best malls in Kenya. We have banks, cooperative bank here. This is cooperative bank. Huh?
Yes.
Yeah, we are looking for second. Oh, huh?
Yes.
Oh, we have KCB. We have everything is here, guys. As I told you before, we have everything that you need. You can get it.
Many.
Yeah, guys, we're finally here, and we are taking lunch. Late lunch, I think. This is ni sangapi? Sangapi?
4.
Let me see. Oh, it's 4. So we are taking lunch at 4, guys. But anyway, guys, I finally met our friend here. Maybe she can introduce herself. She's taking lunch. Yes. Introduce herself. Oh, okay. She's eating. Yeah. Nice to. Yes.
Okay. Hello, guys. I am Natashi from Kenya. I'm finally meeting Nasto and his family. I'm so happy, guys. Yeah, we're having lunch. Late lunch.
Late lunch. Yeah. So this is what we're having. So this is my first time taking. It's called. Nasto, do you know the name?
Goat meat. It's called plata.
Plata.
That's what she said.
Yeah. Plata. So and chips here, and the guys. Finally, we met her. So let's take lunch, and then, guys, we'll have more to discuss. And you guys keep on tuned and keep on watching, so that you can know what is going on this beautiful channel here, guys. If you're new, kindly subscribe, and if you're here, you haven't checked on her, go check on her. Yeah, we are having.
Natashi, guys.
Yeah. Guys, fortunately. We found a place here around Nairobi. It's like a hidden gem, and it's so good to explore more, you know. Now from TRM, we are here, guys. This is a very nice place where you can get swimming pools and people playing ground. You can bring here your kid to play. It's around Githurai, around Githurai. So guys, we are here. We are just having a refreshment soda. So this is a place where you can eat. You can order your food from here. So it's so big, guys, but unfortunately we can't do a video outside this restaurant here. But apart from this restaurant, there's a lot of places that you can go to. So so there's a lot of places that you can visit from here. Sliding, whatever. We have swimming pools, and the rides there. So guys, we are here just having a soda for a long day. We have been working. We are here now having our drink here, and it's so nice, guys. I introduced her
Natashi,
to you guys.
Natashi, guys.
Yeah, so she's taking Fanta.
Yeah.
Yeah, so how do you see YouTube? Like from when you started, how do you see YouTube taking you?
A bit challenging, but I'm trying hard. Consistency. Yeah.
It's hard.
It's hard somehow.
Yeah.
But regardless of the results, we keep going.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So guys, okay, for me, what I can tell you, YouTube is not easy, and also it's work like any other work. And I can say for me and Nasto, it's our job that we have decided this is what we'll do.
Yeah.
So we have to do it. So it's like when you have a job, you wake up in the morning, you say, I'm going to work now, maybe in an office. So this is our office. This is my office, of course. I have to do it for to put something on the table. We have to do it. So if you will commit yourself here, believe me, you're going to make it, and you will make it even very fast if you be consistent and be working hard.
Yeah.
Waking up in the morning saying, today I want to do a video, I want to visit some places like this.
Yeah.
You see, like now, when we came from TRM, we didn't know we'll come here.
Yes.
So we are here.
Yeah.
So travels and everything, and also you can come to our village.
Yeah, I'll surely visit that place.
Yeah, and also remember, I'm single. I'm still looking for a wife, guys. So maybe we'll have some talk, not behind the camera, but in front of the camera, in our next video. Yes. Yeah. Are you single?
Yeah, I'm single.
Wow, guys. Yeah. So we will be talking maybe behind and then in front of camera. Yeah, you guys need to know if Maja now is
Taken.
Yeah, but for now I'm not taken. I'm still throwing words.
Yeah. So, what do you look for in an ideal man? What is an ideal man to you? No, just continue. Look at you know, we are. It's a conversation. Let me tell you. You know something about YouTube. YouTube is it's just free. You don't have to like restrict yourself. Like there are things you cannot talk about, because for us, we try to show the world that life is not that serious. And also it's just a conversation, a normal conversation.
Just normal.
There are those qualities that maybe you are looking for in a man, tall, dark, and handsome.
Not actually.
Yes. Hey, guys, so at least you know me, I'm short. At least now.
Yes.
God-fearing. Yeah, because if a man fears God, he will love you properly. He'll know how to love you.
Yeah, exactly.
A man who loves God will know actually how to love you.
Yeah, we'll be a family man.
Yeah.
Yes.
Next. And you know my dad has a church. So guys, you see my things are ticking. Yes.
Self-driven. Yeah, somebody who knows. Somebody who knows what he's doing in life. Yeah.
Wow.
Okay, and for you, Maja, maybe what do you look for, like in someone that maybe you want to date or you want to marry?
Yeah. As she has said, one of the qualities, or rather, one of the things that I really look for a person who I want to give to stay with the rest of my life is like a person who is God-fearing, of course, and a person who is very serious with life, of course, and someone who is very caring and understanding, of course, what we do, and you believe in your partner, like, and you hold his hand or her hand to So and also naturality.
You don't like makeup?
No, of course my people know, and you can see from here, no makeup.
Come on, it's only today.
Only today. Okay, so guys, that is what I want, of course, with my partner, and someone who is maybe, in case there's something, we sit together and talk.
You solve your issues.
Solve our issues, not like when something I'm wrong, it's now out there, everyone, you know. We solve fast. Of course, maybe when I'm wrong, you can call maybe Nasto and tell Nasto, your brother has done this to me. But before that,
You talk fast.
We talk fast. Yeah, exactly.
So did you leave the episodes? You know, guys, Maja used to do a lot of episodes.
Yeah.
But there's a time now that came and Maja left everything. But what were the lessons that maybe you learned through that journey and everything? Yeah.
Yeah, I learned a lot. You know, also when I was doing the episodes, it was not only for videos, it was also like a lesson and educating other people how maybe other ladies or partners want, you know. So for me, what I learned there are ladies who don't go into relationship or rather marriage to be happy, or they are going for money.
Yeah, for money.
For money.
Yeah.
So there are some who told me like, if no money,
no relationship.
No money, no love.
Yeah,
I can't come to suffer.
Yeah. And also there are others who told me like, I can't live in the village, you know.
Yeah, for sure.
I will never live in the village, you know. That is also a lesson I learned. And we had others telling me a long distance relationship, they can't work. Yeah, a lot of things that I learned, you know. So me doing the episodes was not just like for fun or what. It was a lesson so that other people can learn like
what people are going through.
What people are going through in relationships.
In relationship.
Yes.
English is not
English. Yeah, so it's a lesson. You know, some people also thought like Maja is just a joker, is joking with ladies. But there are also some people who learned from the videos that I used to do. And we have also some people who are doing the same videos.
Sure.
Yeah, right now. Because they saw it from me. They want to learn also. So it's a good thing. And I believe you are
the right one.
The right one. Maybe.
So,
maybe.
Yeah, okay, maybe. You never know. So like... you know, there was some time back was the visitors who came with Mayugno. So they were saying like before like marriage or before like moving into the next level, maybe in a relationship, they have to date maybe for over a year, maybe sometimes even over 2 years. So for you, if for example, if things go well, how long do you take maybe to date someone before you say, now I want to marry?
Yeah, I think for me, that is for my opinion.
Yes.
I think, don't judge me. Don't judge me.
We listen, but we don't judge.
We listen, but we don't judge.
Yes.
For me, I think 4 months.
4 months?
4 to 6 months, yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah, sure. That I will have learned a lot about my partner. About my partner. And now ready to move in.
And for you, maybe? Do you take time maybe to learn someone or?
Yeah. But I think 1 year, 6 months is enough to learn someone.
1 year, 6 months?
1 year, 6 months.
No. 6 to 1 year.
Yeah.
6 to 1 year, yeah. You see, we are on the same page.
Yeah, so for sure, you know, sometimes especially for us Africans, especially for us, I think I don't know if it's also maybe out there.
Yeah.
For example, just imagine maybe dating someone for maybe 6 months, and then now maybe you learn some things, and then you say, I've learned you for 6 months, now it's over. I don't think if now you are the right partner. So how do people go with it?
Yeah, you guys also can tell us down in the comment section. Yeah. But for me, I think the first maybe 1 month, you'll have known, you can know someone. Yeah, you can know the character. So, you know, 1 month is not that much to disappoint someone. So 1 month, after 1 month, you can say, now
I'm ready to continue with the dating process.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Or maybe these months are for, maybe you learn the differences, then you tell the person that, I've seen you live doing this.
Yeah.
Me, I don't like it, so maybe you have to change.
So
those months maybe are for both of you to try and be on the same page.
Same page. Like me, I don't like what you do. Me, I don't like I don't like you drinking soda. I don't like
sure.
Something like that, you know. So if you will change,
you continue.
You continue. If you will not change now, you say, me, you can't change me now. That one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, guys. So we're just here, just having a normal conversation about life.
Yeah.
and dating. Personally, for me, I've been married for very long, like for
2 years.
Not
3.
2 years, 3 years, 3 to 4. Yeah. So I've been also the relationship and also marriage is not easy. You really have to understand your partner, especially what they like, maybe what they don't like also. It's not something easy, but also it's an enjoyable thing. Especially if you find like the right person who understands you and also who is aligned to your goals. It becomes very easy for both of you. That's why most of the time I always try to tell Maja here, find someone.
You know guys, that is the pressure I get from my friends.
It's not really pressure.
It's not like that bad pressure, but I feel like the friends we have, the friends we work with, but also there is something that I'm learning. I'm always with Nasto, so I'm learning from his marriage, like the challenges and what he's going through.
Sometimes even Maja says, marriage is not easy. Because it's life. Sometimes you can quarrel, then the next day you are happy. The next day maybe you quarrel a bit, but it's just misunderstandings. It's not like now I cannot talk to you. It's just you can quarrel and then you take your phone. Also a good thing I learned is ego. Sometimes ego is what makes us like, for example, if you have, maybe you are dating and maybe you have a misunderstanding and then you are like, I cannot be the first person to call and maybe apologize. You have to, both of you have to, like, you humble yourself. Maybe you just come into terms and say, hey, maybe sorry for what I said to you or what I did, and then you move on. Because I came to learn that those are the very strong words, like sorry, very strong. Thank you. So in marriage you should not forget those words. For sure.
So guys, you see, we are learning a lot.
I'm giving Maja tips.
Yes. Have you learned something?
Yeah, for sure.
What have you learned from the lesson of today?
I've learned that in marriage is all about understanding each other. And the simple sorry, thank you, mean a lot.
Exactly, guys. So I don't know if I found my perfect match or no. So guys, keep on watching, supporting us, support Nasto. Road to Success, support Natashi. Hey, her name is Natashi. Road to Success, guys. She's not new, but she's road to 1,000 subscribers. Let's support him if you watch this video, and also more videos, me and her. Of course, kind of episodes, but not
episodes now.
Not episodes. So keep on tuned and watching.
Episodes in Kiswahili is vipindi. So you don't want vipindi. I want something real. Something real. And also you should invite her maybe to our village. I already invited you.
Already.
Because I think that is also like, where a place where you are, where like there are so many people who are doing the same thing as you. It becomes also very easy for you to grow. You can do collabs with different people. We have very many YouTubers in our village. So you are invited to our village.
Thank you.
And we try something there, guys.
We got you. So guys, check out the next video. Maybe. Or we don't know yet. Maybe. So for now, bye bye until our next video.
Bye bye, guys.
Bye.